A lot of times you'll see a customer with weights that are set up too high and springs that are too far inward. First thing I do is I take both of the weights and I move them all the way to the end to get maximum tension on this side. And then I come over to the springs and I move these back all the way. Basically, it has as much tension as possible. It has enough back pull to keep the film straight the entire time. And then also, I set these stopper screws to about 1/4 inch. It's a rough estimate. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I set both of those to about 1/4 inch to give the dancer bar enough room to dance. When I pull it all the way up and let it drop, it has enough room to play. And that's pretty much how I set it up from factory, and it's taking care of a lot of issues with film tracking.